Today, let's make 2 things we can have in our home to make plans to stay well and get well this wintertime when we get those colds and flus and viruses and such. We're going to take a glass jar and you're going to fill it with garlic, preferably organic. You're going to fill that thing with peeled garlic. You are going to cover that garlic with honey. You're going to get the best honey you can get, maybe local or raw, but you're going to get the best honey you can get. You're just going to pour that honey on the garlic. No measurements here, just pour the honey on the garlic. We are making fermented garlic, and it is awesome for keeping us healthy and helping us to get well when we have colds, flus, viruses. You're going to stir that up a little bit, try to get some air bubbles out, and then top it off with some more of your honey. Now, I've been making this for years, and it is always amazing to watch it ferment. You're going to see those bubbles rise to the top as you're keeping it in a cool place, covered in your pantry, your cabinet, and the honey is going to thin down. You're going to notice that. That is normal. Also, you're going to notice over time that the garlic is going to turn a very dark color. It's going to take on that color of that honey. That is normal as well. To my knowledge, this product does not ever go bad. Honey lasts for just forever. But you're going to keep that in a cool, dark place. And don't forget, the honey, it's okay if the honey is a little thin, and it's okay if that garlic is darker. It is delicious. We eat it in so many ways. You can take a spoonful of that honey, you can eat some of that garlic, or I'd like to show you some other ways that we use the fermented garlic. And then I'm also going to show you a picture of my favorite way to eat bagels with some of this garlic and honey on top. Let's make some fire cider. You might have heard it called super tonic or all kinds of names. But this is an awesome product. Take a swig of this. I like to wash it down with some water or water it down when you're drinking it. You're going to have, for the fire cider, you're going to have all kinds of hot herbs and roots and such like that, vegetables. So you're going to have garlic and white onions, ginger root, horseradish, hot peppers, turmeric root, a good quality apple cider vinegar with the mother. You're going to need gloves for cutting it all up. You can use all kinds of peppers. It would be great to also add some fresh oregano or some thyme. Oregano is a great antibacteria, antifungal, all the bad things. You're going to cut all of this up. You can cut it up kind of roughly, rough chop, and you're going to put it in your container, preferably like a gallon jar, half-gallon jar, and you're just going to cover that with apple cider vinegar, a good quality apple cider vinegar. Cover that and just let it sit in the dark pantry in a cool spot for several weeks, months is even fine. That's why we want to go ahead and get that made now, so we will have it. After those several months and weeks, you're going to tell that is just turned into a pungent, wonderful product. You're going to take that and you're going to strain it. Now you can take the pulp and you can just put it in your compost. Some people have even, I've heard them grinding it up in the mixer and just using it for cooking. Then you're going to put it in whatever jar you want to, and if it is not, if it doesn't bite you back when you smell it, you didn't do something right. But you're just going to take a swig of this, or you're going to water it down and take a swig. And this has all kinds of wonderful things to keep you well this winter and fall. Count your blessings.